doctor turned author once very proficiently penned down that there are three different ways to see life: helping, fixing, and serving. When we help people, we see life as weak. When we fix people, we see life as broken. But when we serve people, we see life as whole. So helping and fixing may be the work of ego, but serving is the work of soul. So keeping this philosophy in mind, we, the rural managers, initiated to pursue our entrepreneurship journey through goat farming. Next slide. Before pursuing any of our intervention, we did a feasibility study. So we have segregated two different ventures. One was dairy and one was goat. So we talked to all the key informants present in the area, but we came to conclusion that we should work on goat farming. So in our social enterprise journey, we tried to keep some things in mind, like harnessing the potential of goats. First of all, in rural areas there are many goat farmers, but those farming practices are not normalized. And second is entrepreneurial social impact. So we thought that we will be creating our own venture, our own goat farm. But when we employ people, we will not employ them for the sake of employment. We will send them to the RCTs, to the KVKs, and to other government training institutes where they will get the formal training of goat farming and their health and welfare practices they will learn there. Then after coming back, when they will join us for our employment task, we will be giving them 2 female goats and we will be helping them to get AI, artificial insemination practices, so that they can breed their 2 goats which we provided them, so they can start their own entrepreneurship journey. So they will be working for us. Also simultaneously they will be creating or harnessing their potential of being an entrepreneur someday. Now addressing poverty and food security. So in a word, rural India is a very complex situation, is going through a very complex situation. Our agriculture sector, despite of being a primary force of economy, is not contributing enough to the GDP. So now the most viable option to revive is to focus on the animal husbandry. And for animal husbandry, the Black Bengal goat is one of the most viable breed for the rural people, which will act as insurance for the rural people, where they can sell it in the time of their need. They can use it to breed more and create their own small goat farm. And environmental sustainability is a very important thing, because many of the goat farming units do not care about the waste management system. So environmental sustainability, keeping that in mind, we will be looking after the waste management system also, and local partnership for community development. So we will be contacting with the local line departments, where we know that many SHGs were provided with goats from the line department, from agriculture, from block. So we will be providing them our farm produced goat kits, and which will be distributed among the SHG members. Next slide. So objective, as we all know that our main objective is to create a holistic goat farming unit, which will not only working on revenue generation, also will be working in to create a social impact, to create entrepreneurship mindset among the youth, rural youth, and train and empower diverse workforce. So we will be employing both the people who have some basic knowledge of goat farming and who are fresher, do not have anything to do with goat farming. We will train them and make them empowered with skills. And we will be doing market research, like we have done market research. That's why we came to conclusion that we will be going with goat farming. So in the next slide, my friends will describe you more about our venture. That every development intervention is unique and it cannot replicate into anywhere and everywhere. So in order to replicate our form of goat farming, we have to do feasibility study and sustainability study. Also, we have to see the market demand. And like there are so many cases like they do not eat non-veg. So in those places we cannot promote goat farming, because there is some societal resistance will be there and that will not be viable. So to conclude, it is all about strengthening the community, because many people in rural areas who have indigenous knowledge of goat farming, they only need a direction towards the sustainability and towards the modern technology. So if as a firm we can bridge that gap, then that will be